Thanks for getting the bonus project in the November 22 box of making. This project is going to be all about how to put together this simple wooden tea lamp. I think it's something you'll really enjoy having anywhere in your home. Let's start by taking a look at the pieces and parts in your bag. So I'm going to open it up here. What you will find is 6 pieces of wood, a little lamp, and a set of feet. And the way this lamp works is it just got an on-off switch here. It's a kind of cute little tea light, and the battery compartment just opens and uses a replacement 2032 battery. They're available a lot of places, pretty easy to get. And if I can put it back in the right place, it will close for me. So we're going to set that aside. And when you're getting your pieces ready, you can sand and decorate them however you want. And once you've got that done, come back and I'll show you how to put all the pieces together. Now that you've decorated your parts, let's go ahead and put this together. It's a very simple way to assemble it. I'm going to flip this over so we're working from the inside. And the tricky thing here is you'll notice that each of these has little corners that are sticking out and little corners that are going in. So what we want to do is we want to make sure all of these have in corners to out corners. And each of these pieces has 2 outs and 2 ins. So this is an out here, so I'm going to put it next to an in. This is an out, I'm going to put it next to an in. And that out goes next to that in, like so. And the easiest way to assemble these, actually, is to put all the glue on all the sides at once, and then just to put them up in the air and connect them together one at a time. So I'm going to do that. If this looks like an advanced technique, feel free to do it one piece at a time, but I'm just going to put glue on the whole thing at once. If you're doing it one piece at a time, what you would do is do this section and this side and this side. But by doing all of them at once, I don't have to try to get my glue bottle in these little sections to put them together. So I'm just going to do the whole thing all at once. And then I'm going to very quickly tip them up. It also helps to have 2 people to do this if you haven't done it very often, so that one person can support a couple of sides as you add the extras. It shouldn't be too hard. We'll see how I do at it. But now that I've got those 2 sides up, I can just add this 3rd side and this 4th side, and it should snap into place fairly easily. And then I'm going to hold it for a couple of seconds. The way super glue works is it works under compression. So if you push the sides together, it'll cause the glue to dry faster. And you should be all set to go. And then the last thing I need to do is I need to put the top on and then put the feet on. So I'm going to just put a dot of glue on these little exposed pieces here. If you're worried about this coming off, you can put additional bits of glue on all of the tabs sticking out there, but there shouldn't be very much pressure on here. So I'm just going to set this in like so and get that built. And the last thing to do is put my little feet on the bottom. So we've got 4 stick-on feet, and you can just stick them on, but it's pretty easy to glue them on. And in our experience, stick-on feet only stay stuck for a little while. And so I put little circles here to give you an indicator of where they go. And if you center your feet on those little circles, they'll be glued down nicely. And then you can turn it over and you have a lamp. And as long as you're using battery operated lamps, you have plenty of room to get it stuck in and out, and you've got a beautiful flickering lamp in your tea light. Thanks.